in the extended forecast.
An issue involving religion and government is before the Supreme Court tonight, and the outcome could have an impact on public meetings here along the Gulf Coast.
Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials is joining us in the studio with some local reaction to this national story. Hi, Renee.
Hi, Lenise and Bob. You know, the legal fight started in a small town in New York State. At issue is the practice of prayer before public meetings. The group leading the challenge won a victory in the lower appeals court. Now the Supreme Court must decide if that lower court was right or wrong. Governing leaders across the country are watching the case, including here in Mobile. When Mobile's new mayor and council were sworn in this week, the meeting started like most other public meetings in our area, with prayer.
May we pray. Eternal God, our Father.
The practice of opening a public meeting with prayer is now before the U.S. Supreme Court. Both sides say the issue is simple.
This case is about Christians aggressively imposing themselves on their fellow citizens with the power of government, and that's not right, and it's not part of the American tradition.
I felt that we heard the justices say very clearly that a government official is in no position to dictate how a prayer should be worded. None of us want the government telling us what a good prayer is and what a bad prayer is.
City and county leaders here at Government Plaza are closely watching the outcome of this case, which could impact public meetings across the nation. Mayor Sandy Stimpson is promising change with his new administration, but prayer before meetings is something he definitely wants to keep.
Well, I just think that we're very fortunate that we can open meetings in prayer, and I hope that nothing changes in that regard.
For some city and county leaders, the issue has already been before the High Court and settled.
30 years ago, this same body, the Supreme Court, decided that prayer was in the very fabric of our nation. And it will not go lightly in the municipalities in Alabama. This is a faithful and Christian state.
We've been advised by counsel that we certainly are within our legal authority, and we believe it's appropriate as well. So as long as I've been in public office, there have been invocations before public meetings.
Both Council Member John Williams and County Commissioner Connie Hudson were referring to the High Court's 1983 ruling. The appeals court said even that ruling, the New York town's practice of having one Christian prayer after another, amounted to the town's endorsement of Christianity over other faiths. The Supreme Court has not indicated how it will rule, but a decision is expected next summer.